This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join the Pokémon Brick Bronze group. Joining a Roblox group is a fantastic way to connect with other players who share your interests and enhance your gaming experience. First, open the Roblox application or website on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to proceed with joining any group. Once logged in, look for the Groups tab. On the website, it's typically in the left-hand panel. If you're on a mobile device, you might need to tap the menu icon first to reveal this option. This Groups section is where you'll find all the communities available on Roblox, including fan groups for games like Pokémon Brick Bronze. Now, use the search bar located at the top of the Groups page. Type in Pokémon Brick Bronze or relevant keywords to find the group you're looking for. You'll see several results, so take a moment to browse and select the official or most active community that aligns with your interests. After selecting your desired group, you'll be taken to its dedicated page. Here, simply click the prominent Join Group button, usually located near the group's name. For public groups, you'll often join instantly. However, some private groups may require an administrator's approval, so you might need to wait a few moments for your request to be accepted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.